The Enormous Elephant Show by Lisa Charlesworth. Alvin the elephant is waiting backstage. To start his show, just turn the page. Alvin the elephant makes an E out of eels. Alvin the elephant tosses eggplants to seals. Alvin the elephant does excellent dives. Alvin the elephant bakes elderberry pies. Alvin the elephant pulls an elk from a hat. Alvin the elephant sends email to his cat. Alvin the elephant models elegant clothes. Alvin the elephant skates with eggs on his toes. Alvin the elephant climbs evergreen trees. Alvin the elephant eats a mountain of peas. Alvin the elephant exercises with a cow. Alvin the elephant takes an enormous bow. How many things can you find that begin with the letter E? E.